16 divide 4 gives us 4. Divide 8 divide 2 gives us 4. Finally 4 divide 4 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct. Because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have worked from left to right. So 16 divide 4 divide 8 divide 2. Here we have worked from left to right. 16 divide 4 gives us 4. Then 4 divide 8 divide 2. Now 4 divide 8 gives us 4 upon 8 gives us 1 and 2 is equal to 1 upon 2, and divide 2. According to KCF, we follow the KCF rule where K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. It means denominator convert into denominator and nominator convert into denominator. Now same divide convert into multiplication. So finally 1 upon 2 divide 2 is equal 1 upon 2 times 1 upon 2. So final answer is 1 upon 4. This is the right answer.